Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Talking Classics. We have so much to show you this evening. We are going to join the team at the Norfolk show. We are also going to have a look behind the scenes of the Spitfire shoot with the helicopter. But first, we are going to take a look inside the workshop and see the update on our Jaguar E-Type.
Right, so the car's come back, done the paintwork and stuff. We're now finishing it off. The dash got to be put in. We're missing the choke levers, which we've sourced and waiting for to arrive. It'll be a matter of going over the car, make sure everything's tight, changing the old stuff like the wheels, bleeding the brakes up, making sure everything's okay and safe. Going through the electrics, making sure all the electrics work fine. And then it'll be whatever bits we find that aren't there, replacing. I should imagine, judging by the ride height, we've got to adjust the suspension. And they're torsion bars on the front and they're not much fun to do. 99% of the stuff's pretty easy. You have S&G Barrett, SC parts. They supply most of the bits and pieces. Brian's now doing the interior for us, so the interior bit done. And then we'll get on the ramp and check it all over.
First thing we do is clean out all the car, get rid of any glue, oil, anything that might stop the glue sticking. Then I put the foam for the headliner in place and marked out the shape as it comes to as oversized. Everything has to be, you have to just try everything first to make sure it's where you want it to be before you stick anything, just to get the right, make sure everything's right basically. I put that into the car and just glued the very back edge to get it to sit in the right place. Once I've got that in the right place, and I could work my way forward, just gluing a little bit at a time, smoothing out the headliner as we went. And then once it was all in, I just pushed all the edges in around the shape of the car. Got it all in neatly. Each bit overlaps as you work your way down, so once you've got that right, then it's not too bad.
We hope you enjoyed that look inside the workshop. If there's any cars that you would like a closer look at, please do comment below and let us know, and we will try and make that happen for you. Now, we are going to join Lily at the Norfolk show with the Triumph Spitfire.
Hello, I am at the Norfolk show today and we are in the Emergency Vehicle Village. We are currently on the East Anglian Air Ambulance stand with our 1973 Triumph Spitfire. This is a competition car and all profits raised from this will be donated to East Anglian Air Ambulance. So we are here for a good cause and it is great to see so many people. I'm going to take you around and show you what's going on. Behind me we have got lots of classic tractors, a lot of them powered by steam. We've got other vehicles as well. There's lots going on. What's incredible is how much effort goes into keeping these in top-notch condition. Oh, I love the matching helmet. I am absolutely starving, so it's now time for some lunch from Junkyard. They have got a setup here with lots and lots of different street food going on. So go and see what they have.
Stand free on the header, or the 9 metres wide.
Day 2 of the Norfolk show and the British weather has done its thing. Yesterday we had blazing sunshine and today we have torrential rain. Anybody fancy a tractor as a competition car?
Maker from Albert Scott, Cascadia. Cascadia against the...
Thank you for coming along with us. We have had a great day here at the Norfolk show. Thank you for joining us.
That was Lily and the team at the Norfolk show. Now this is a very special competition because we are raising money for the East Anglian Air Ambulance. We are getting close now to another milestone. We have nearly raised £20,000 in ticket sales, which is very exciting. So we would really like to push that further and raise as much money for East Anglian Air Ambulance as possible. Now, when we did the shooting for the advert for this car, it was so much fun. It was a very, very special moment for me and very exciting because we got to shoot at Bentwaters with the helicopter and all of the team from East Anglian Air Ambulance. So I would like to show you now a behind the scenes of that very special day.
Yeah, let's see how it looks. Okay to jump up.
It's okay, those people here to help me.
I was going to say, if only there was a paramedic around. Now straight, Rod, perfectly straight for me. Just a little bit of right hand down. Let's got that one.
You're going outro?
Yes, let's get the outro for safety.
That was such a special day and definitely one that I know some of the other team here at Bridge are going to treasure in our memories forever, as it was an amazing moment with the helicopter. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to show you a little bit of a throwback from the live stream we did this week. Now we would normally have a live draw to show you guys, but because the stag sold out so quickly, we drew it a week early, but we didn't want you to miss out on a live stream, so we thought we'd show you about what we got up to this week. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the atelier room here at Bridge Classic Cars.
Good to see some of you joining us this morning. Welcome Andy, welcome Roger, welcome Danny.
Now this car is, I think, the epitome of 70s retro style.
It's very cool.
It definitely is.
This colour combination would not work on any other car, but it's just gorgeous. It's pinstriping.
The striping is just beautiful. Shall we go and have a look in the workshop?
So you'll spot the Aston up there. That's going tomorrow. That's just had its MOT.
As you'll see, our MGB that is live on the competition website right now is just having its pre-delivery checks. So we're having just the last checkovers to make sure that it's all fine and dandy for it to be won.
Donald has said, is that a Hillman Minx parked outside?
It is, Donald.
Very eagle-eyed.
Okay, we'll go there first and I'll come back to the MGB.
We're filming that today, aren't we?
We are filming the Hillman Minx this morning and I'm very excited about it. It's a really, really beautiful car. Now, I absolutely love the look of it. I think it's just so, I know I shouldn't say it, but I do think it's really, really cute.
It is really cute. I think that's
It's
fair
so
to say.
cute.
Scott is also on. He's saying, fingers crossed for the MGB GT. I've got some
Yes.
tickets. It'll look great next to my Vermilion GT. Matching pair in the garage. 2 Vermilion Orange GTs.
They will both look $1,000,000 together.
That's good, that, Molly. That's a nice one there.
I'm getting head shakes. But we will see you all very soon. Have a lovely day. That concludes our Talking Classics for this week. But if there is any cars that you would like to know a bit more about or see a little bit more in depth, please do let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you all next week. Good night.